Okay, ready? Okay. So our next question is, does Accutane cause depression? And we found this quote from the Mayo Clinic website, and it says isotretinoin, that's how you say it, right? Okay. May cause some people to be agitated, irritable, or display other abnormal behaviors. It may also cause some people to have suicidal thoughts and tendencies or to become more depressed. Mhm. So is it more like what's the word? Like it's like in your head kind of? Or is there actual stuff going on? Mhm. Yeah. Yeah, you need a lot of different people to be able to prove that. Okay, Madison. Yeah. Wait, what'd you say? I think we already answered that. But thank you. um, yeah, you did. um, okay. We only have two more questions. Are you like okay with time? Because it's been a half an hour. Okay. Which products or methods work best to combat the side effects? If you have the steroid for dryness, does that do anything like with the Accutane? Like will it stop working or what? Mhm. Yeah. Good to know. Oh yeah. Yeah. Mhm. And then, so with the dosing, is there a difference if you take it once a day or twice a day? Hmm. Yeah. So you would, it's normally prescribed as twice a day? Okay. And then we do have like one more question. It's like an overall, what is your opinion on Accutane, like weighing the risks and the benefits? I mean, if I had to take it, the dryness would be worth it, knowing that your skin is going to clear up. Yeah. Yeah, and there's stuff to help the dryness, so. I'm gonna tell my mom that. Cause she's not for the drug because she's nervous about like um the future of like what will happen if you take it and later on in life. but I'll tell her what you said. Wow. Hmm. My mom will be happy to hear that. Any other questions, Madison? I didn't even think about that. Yeah, well, our opinion first was like, yeah, take it. And then my mom said that, and we were like, oh, yeah. hmm Perfect. Do you have questions for us? You first, Madison. I go to Farmington. hmm So we go to these like college classes at MinCaps. Have you ever heard of that? It's just like college classes for people in high school like us, and we're in the medical pathway, but there's like business too. And we're like in the same class. So, yeah. Mhm. Well, we won't be there for like 10 years, so I think we'll be okay. Yeah, I'll send it to you. I'm not exactly sure how to edit it, but I'll send it to you after it's done. Yes, it was wonderful. Thank you so much. Sweet. Thank you. You too. Bye.